me the Box of Style Fall 2018 box to show you. This is my last box of the year. But honestly, I think I'm just gonna have to continue this membership because I am obsessed. So the Box of Style is a box curated by the Rachel So. She is a fashion designer, a stylist. She is one of the it ladies of the fashion industry. So everything that you get is very high in value. It is very luxe, in my opinion, and it's all full-size products. Annual membership, it's about $350, but you get really good quality items, and sometimes the items that you get kind of value to the entire year, and it's just in one box, if that makes sense. But also what I like about the Box of Style is that they show you everything that you're getting about a month before they start shipping boxes, that you get to see pretty much everything that they will be giving out in the box. So that's also a good idea for those of you who just want to buy per box. Maybe you don't like the spring box but you like the summer box, you can just pick them up individually, and those go for about $99. Links will be down in the description box below if you are interested in getting more information about the Box of Style. So let's just get right into the box. It looks like this. This is a little booklet. Obviously most of the subscription boxes come with a booklet like this that just give you a little bit of information and retail values of each item. I'm going to start off with this Clio Bella capelet. So I'm guessing that most of the items that some of these brands make are exclusive to Box of Style. So if you really like an item that you see from a Box of Style, it's most likely that that would be the only place you would be able to get it. Correct me if I'm wrong. Do it in a nice way, but correct me if I'm wrong. But most of these items do say exclusive. The item that we're talking about is right here. It kind of looks like a scarf. It's kind of going to work as a little bit of a blanket for the holidays. I think it's very nice. I will admit that at first sight, at first try, I felt like it was a little too big and it just wasn't going to work with anything. But I just this is maybe the third time that I filmed this video. And I love it. It is pretty thin. It's not very thick, which I like. You're not really like holding like a heavy jacket or sweater, and it's really long. There's the cape. Oh yeah. So it's pretty long, and I'm not sure if you can see the tassels, but it's right there. And yeah, this little baby can fit so many different body types. It's just there's room for everybody in here. And you can definitely wear this on top of a sweater, on top of a dress, on top of pretty much anything. I have seen this little baby be styled in so many different ways now, and I like them all. They did have two prints to choose from. Sometimes they have an item that you get to pick the color or the size of, and this was one of them. It looks a little bit like a medium large to me. It's pretty big. There's a lot of room here. It's just gonna be perfect for the holidays. And this is from the brand Clio Bella, and it's called the Sevigny. I want to say that's what it's called, Sevigny Capelet Exclusive. It retails for $228. Again, they also have it in burgundy with like some black print on it, but I love black and it goes with everything, so this is what I decided to go for. I love that little sexy loose thing here. I love it. Yeah, these items really make it hard for me not to keep on subscribing to this box. So this little baby that you see right here is from the brand Below the Belt, and it is an adjustable vegan leather belt to cinch everything from a tweed coat to an ethereal dress. So right here, I am a hot mess. And then maybe you can just throw it in here, and just, yeah, there you go, got it, something like that. So there it is. You can take it up higher, you can take it up lower, whatever your little heart desires, your little fashion heart desires. So there's this much left on the belt. It's fun. Throw it to the side, give it a little twist, and yeah. Cute. So again, this is from Below the Belt. It is called the Camille Wrap Belt Exclusive, and it retails for $70. And it has this really pretty gold buckle. I forgot to talk about it for some reason. I was just really excited to put it on. and it's pretty heavy actually. So yeah, I love it. I love the texture on it. I love that it's not so polished, and I can just style it with anything. Cute. Beauty items are one of the things that I look the most forward to when it comes to these boxes, because they give you quality beauty products. In this box we received the Caudalie Radiance Serum, and it's supposed to be an award-winning anti-aging spot treatment, spot serum or something like that. Let's get it right and let's read about it. Award-winning anti-dark spot serum. It's ideal for enhancing all skin types. It's also oil-free, non-comedogenic, and non-photosynthesizing. I hope I said that right. It's way too many words for me. Again, my favorite items to receive in the box is their beauty picks. Like that they give you really nice quality beauty products to sample on your skin. With that being said, I fell in love with the Summer's Kate Somerville Glow Face Cream. It would make your skin so radiant, and I would probably still have some if I didn't accidentally spill half of it on the floor. It just fell on the floor. I almost wanted to just pick it right back and like slather it in, but I knew that was just not gonna happen. So yeah, back to this. We have the Caudalie Radiance Serum, and so far I like it. I've been trying it for the past week now, and it soaks into your face really quick, and I like that. That way you can like put your moisturizer on top of it, and you're supposed to put it all over your face, into your neck, and down into the décolleté. All of it, baby, all of it. So you just pat it into your skin after cleansing and before moisturizing to boost radiance. Caudalie. Our second beauty product is this mascara from Beauty Pie, and it is called the Uber Volume Boost Mascara, and it is in the color Jet Black. So it is a volumizing and lengthening collagen infused big lash formula. So I have tried this little baby a couple of times now, and what I do like about it is that it does give you some volume. It does make your lashes look a lot fuller, at least mine. And if you want to lengthen with this, you kind of have to work really quick with it, because I feel like it kind of dries up really quick. And they did add a really cute gift card looking card with a nice little mascara eye on there, and that is for a membership. So you get to go online, sign up, and then you get like discounts with that membership, and you get to try beauty products, skincare products. So they do have a lot more other products to try from Beauty Pie, so that was just a cute little extra that they threw in. The last item in this box is this really pretty necklace. Really pretty necklace here, and this is from Etica, and it is called, what is this called? It is called the Etica Chloe Tassel Necklace Exclusive. So it is $80. Look at those layers. They're so pretty, and then those little crystals there, I feel like it adds a little bit of an extra touch. And then here comes that tassel, baby. There is that tassel, and then it also has a couple of those little crystals there, and I love it. I love this necklace. And it says, pair with a plunging neckline for a night out. Wear on the loosest setting over a chunky sweater to add a dash of sparkle. The first time that I filmed this video, I wore this necklace with a really soft, like kind of chunky sweater off to the side of the shoulder, and I thought it would look really nice with that as well. It just kind of made it look a little bit more dressed up. So I really like it, and it's just really cute. I filmed this necklace in all kinds of angles, so you can see how the crystals really shine, how they really pop. It's really pretty, and this is by far my favorite accessory in the box. So there it is. They absolutely sold me for another year. I am on board for another year. I would like to hear from you in the comments down below. Let me know what you think of this box, and also please give me some ideas of new boxes you would like for me to review. Pretty much any kind of box you want me to review, I will do it for you. Also, let me know if you're interested in like seeing me review maybe like online boutiques or beauty items. I haven't done that in a really long time. All of that good stuff. Let me know in the comments down below what you think I would be good at reviewing. Even if you think I would suck at reviewing, just put it in the comments down below and I'll probably do it just for that reason. Thanks so much for watching, and please don't forget to like the video, and don't forget to subscribe on the way out, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Bye.